If you're on the hunt for a small footprint loudspeaker without sacrifice to both SPL and sound, your search stops here. Introducing the Intusonic INTUCAB 6FP100T, a 6.5-inch two-way loudspeaker rated at 80 watts, offering excellent acoustic reproduction thanks to quality components and wooden construction. Input options comprise of Speakon-compatible connections and a screw terminal block. A 100-volt transformer kit can be purchased separately using code UTK60. A wide number of mounting options are available. These include a suspended option utilizing the M6 threads. A VESA 75 option when used with additional bracketry, code VESA 75-100 Pro. The 6FP100T offers a pendant mount option too, further extending this loudspeaker's impressive versatility. What's more, the L-shaped reversible rear panel allows for further suspension options. Here, we see the VESA mount and coupler options in action. Available in both black and white, the 6FP100T suits any environment it's installed into. For more information, please visit www.intusonic.com.